Hey guys, Buckskin Dave here. So I know I haven't posted in a while, and I've been working through some things, and we'll get to that as time goes on. But one of my biggest problems was the internet I had here. The service that I had here was horrible, very slow, and the company that provided it, my email address got hacked, and they did very little to fix it over 3 or 4 days. And it really gave the hackers some time to aggravate some of my contact list. Anyway, I fired that company and I went with this Starlink deal, and I had to install it myself. And I know you hear good and bad about it. So far I've had nothing but good. But anyway, I'm going to install that here, and we're going to see where it goes from there. So stick with me, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get this in, and maybe I can start getting stuff on the internet a little faster. Anyway, let's check it out. Climb out on the roof. We got to put in this mount for the Starlink deal, and hopefully I'll have better internet and I'll be able to make more videos. Need a 1/4 inch drill first. How lucky can you be? I got beam going this way. Okay. All right, now I need that little package that has that sticky stuff in it. I think I did a good job. Now we got some stuff here. Keep it from leaking. The square stuff is supposed to ball it up, shove it in the hole. Lay the flat stuff there. So here's some of the damage. Most of the damage in this property along the river here has been aspens this size, a little bit smaller. So anyway, here's some fresher stuff. A lot of this was done over the winter. Here there's some stuff that's knocked down, and some of them have been dragged away, and some of them are still sitting here. Those geese is the reason I'm using Hancock traps here, mainly because if I catch one in a Hancock trap, I got a good chance that I'll be able to release it unharmed. This one here, this looks like it might be the next one to go down, or a little bit anyway. So a couple of geese. I'm also trying not to disturb them in case they're nesting down here. Most of them are flying away. Those two are kind of hanging around, so I'll walk wide of them when I go over that way. Okay. So I'm not gonna, they gave you some stuff to tie this wire down. I'm not gonna tie it down just yet. I may remove a few of the metal screws and tie it to that. For now, I'm gonna just come on in. Hey, so anyway, I got this thing going, and I'm gonna watch a video, and man, it just pops right up. So, oh, video will play soon.
Wouldn't it be better if a leather holster could lock? With limited carry options,
and I'll tell you, the picture that I'm getting is better because the speed is so much better. Well, here's this guy here, Buckskin Dave, doing the John Wick drill. So, and I think he's talking about getting a cup of coffee, so I'm going to follow what he says, and I'm going to get me a cup of coffee and watch Buckskin Dave and have a cup of coffee with him. This thing, I'll tell you what, this thing works so much better than the old CenturyLink that we had. And it's faster, the things come up faster, clearer, it's great. So I'm going to have a cup of coffee with Buckskin Dave, and I guess I'll see you guys down the road. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.